I'm Anil Kumar. Here we have two very interesting examples to compare the ratio of areas. The first one is, a circle is inscribed in a square, find the ratio of their areas. And the second one is, a square is inscribed in a circle, find the ratio of their areas, right? So that is what you need to do. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now in the first diagram, we have square and a circle is inscribed inside the square, right? So that is how it is. Let us say that the radius is r for the circle, right? In that case, what is the side of the square? So these two are equal, so it will be 2 times r. Do you see that? So this is going to be 2r. So square sides will be 2r. And the radius for the circle is r. So we'll do, when we say ratio, let us put the square area on the top divided by circle area, okay? So what is the area of the square? It is length times width, which is 2r times 2r, and the area of a circle is pi r square, right? So you could write this as 2 times 2 as 4 r square divided by pi r square. So it is equals to 4 over pi, right? R square cancels. So that is the ratio of area of square to circle, right? 4 over pi. Okay. You could use calculator, divide 4 by 3.14 and get some number. So, square area is slightly more than the circle since the circle is inscribed. Here in this particular case, the second case, what can we do? Let us say that r is the radius, and again let us take this unit as let's say a, side length. Let me take half of the side length is a, then square will be 2a long. Is it okay? Okay, so 2a length, 2a width of the square. Now these two sides are a, and that is 90 degrees, both are equal. This will be a square plus a square square root, right? So radius will be square root of a square plus a square, which is a square root 2, right? So that is a square root 2 will be the radius, correct? I hope you understand this concept. Now, let us again apply the same formulas for areas and find the answer. So this time we'll keep circle on top, right? So let's say area of the circle divided by area of the square. As far as circle is concerned, area is pi r square. Radius is a square root 2. So we'll write a square root 2 whole square divided by area of the square, which is 2a times 2a, right? That gives you pi. When you square it, you get a squared. Square root square is 2 divided by 2 times 2, 4, a square, correct? So a square cancel out, right? And we could cancel 2 with 2. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. So we get pi over 2 as our answer in this particular case, right? So what we did was we kind of wrote circle on the top since that was more area, correct? So that is how you could actually solve such questions. Formula used here is area of circle is pi r square, and of a square is let's say if side length is s, then s square, right? So that is the formula used, and we can compare as shown here. The tricky part here is to really relate side of the square with radius, right? Once you understand that, it should be easy. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe and share my videos. Thank you and all the best.